Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and the Bitlocker recovery key before you begin. This prevents lockouts later. Once ready, pause Windows Update and plug in power to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings or search Manage Bitlocker. That launches the control panel blade for encryption. Make sure your recovery key is saved to your Microsoft account, USB, or printed copy so you can revert if prompted. Follow these initial steps to get to the drives list and prepare to turn Bitlocker off. You select the specific drive and choose Turn off Bitlocker because this instructs Windows to decrypt the volume. You are reversing the encryption. Confirm the action when prompted. Windows will cue the decryption and show progress. Make sure you do not interrupt power or reboot mid-process because partial decryption can leave the drive inaccessible. If you have multiple drives, repeat per volume. Once decryption begins, monitor the percentage and wait until it reaches 100% before moving on. After decryption completes, verify the drive now shows Bitlocker off and open files to confirm normal access. That ensures the operation succeeded. If the process stalls or fails, check Event Viewer for errors and run chkdsk/f on the affected drive because corrupted file systems often block decryption. Make sure you revert any temporary policy or startup changes you made, re-enable Windows Update, and securely delete any temporary recovery key copies if no longer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.